Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can uncap your FPS in Geometry Dash. So if your FPS is stuck, for example, 60, 120, 144, I'll show you how you can do that. So first, in-game settings, you need to go to gear icon, then you need to go to the graphics, and on graphics go to advanced, turn off VSync, show FPS if you want to have it here, and then unlock FPS, and then make it to your monitor's values. For me it's 240, so I will leave it to 40, and look if the FPS now is the right amount. But still, if the problem persists, I will show you what you need to do next. Close the game, then go to display settings. On display settings, scroll down until you see advanced display, select your monitor and make sure the highest amount is selected here. Then what you need to do here is to right click on your desktop, show more options, and video control panel. Wait for a couple of seconds here, then you need to look for change resolution and make sure the highest amount is selected here. And then, super important thing, turn off VSync because sometimes it caps your FPS. And to do so, you need to go to manage 3D settings, scroll all the way down, make sure VSync is off. And then last thing, what you need to do here is to go to a max frame rate, and it should be on off as well. Apply the changes on the bottom right, and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.